Welcome to the Internet Backpack, a place where we take a dive into history, horror, entertainment, and the betterment of ourselves. Today we are going to take a look at the incredible types of comets that have poked the curiosity of humans for a very long time. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for weekly updates. Comets are celestial wonders that have captivated humanity for centuries. These mysterious objects are thought to be remnants from the early solar system, preserving clues about its formation and evolution. Comets have been seen as omens of doom, harbingers of change, and even messengers from the gods. Today, with the help of advanced technology and space missions, we are learning more about these enigmatic objects and their role in the history of our solar system. From the discovery of water and organic molecules on cometary surfaces to the study of binary comets in the Kuiper Belt, the study of comets is an ongoing area of research that continues to yield new and exciting insights into the universe and our place in it. What is a comet? A comet is a celestial object that orbits the Sun and is composed of a mixture of ice, dust, and gas. The bulk of a comet is made up of water ice, which is mixed with other volatile compounds such as carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia. The dust component of a comet is composed of silicates and other mineral grains, as well as organic molecules. The nucleus of a comet is a small, solid, and highly reflective object that is typically a few kilometers in size. The surface of the nucleus is covered in a layer of dark, organic-rich material that is thought to be a remnant from the early solar system. When a comet is far from the Sun, its icy surface is frozen solid and the comet is referred to as a dirty snowball. As the comet approaches the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma, which is the fuzzy, envelope-like structure surrounding the nucleus, and a long, bright tail that points away from the Sun, which is caused by the solar wind pushing the material away from the comet's nucleus. There are two main types of comets: short-period comets and long-period comets. Short-period comets have orbits that take them around the Sun in less than 200 years and are believed to originate from the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune. Long-period comets have orbits that take them around the Sun once every 200 years or more and are believed to come from the Oort cloud, a distant region of the solar system. In addition to these two main types of comets, there are also several subcategories of comets based on their physical characteristics and behavior, such as Jupiter family comets, which have orbits that are influenced by the gravity of Jupiter and have periods of less than 20 years. Halley-type comets, which have orbits that take them around the Sun once every 76 to 79 years and are named after Halley's Comet, one of the most famous comets in human history. Encke-type comets, which have orbits that take them around the Sun once every 3.3 years and are named after Encke's Comet. Dynamically new comets, which are comets that have recently entered the inner solar system and have not been observed before. And extinct comets, which are comets that have lost all of their volatile materials, such as water and gas, and are no longer active. Where do comets come from? The origin of comets is still the subject of scientific inquiry, but the most widely accepted theory is that they formed in the early solar system from the same material that formed the planets. Comets are thought to be remnants of this material that never coalesced into a full-fledged planet. As previously mentioned, comets are believed to come from two primary sources, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. It's believed that the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud formed from the same basic material that formed the rest of the solar system, but they remained relatively undisturbed, preserving a record of the early solar system. When comets are ejected from these regions, they can provide a window into the conditions that existed when the solar system was young. What can comets tell us about the history of our universe? By studying comets, we can learn about the early stages of the formation of our solar system and the conditions that existed when it was young. For example, comets are believed to contain the same basic building blocks that were present in the early solar system: providing insight into their composition and the types of materials that were available for the formation of planets and other objects. Comets might also explain the origin of water on Earth. They are believed to contain significant amounts of water, and it's thought that they may have brought water to the early Earth, helping to create its oceans. The study of the orbits and compositions of comets can give us insight into how the solar system formed and how it evolved over time. The study of comets from the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, in particular, can provide information about the evolution of these regions and the processes that shaped them. By observing comets and their interactions with other objects in the solar system, we can learn about the effects of these interactions, including impacts in the transfer of materials between objects. Overall, the study of comets can provide us with a better understanding of the early stages of the formation and evolution of our solar system and the conditions that led to the development of life on Earth. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta spacecraft made the first ever successful landing on a comet. The spacecraft's instruments detected the presence of water on the comet's surface, which has important implications for our understanding of the early solar system and the origin of water on Earth. The Rosetta spacecraft also detected complex organic molecules on the comet, which are the building blocks of life. These findings suggest that comets may have played a role in the delivery of water and organic molecules to the early Earth, which may have helped to jumpstart life on our planet. In recent years, several binary comets, or comets with two nuclei, have been discovered. These comets are thought to have formed when two smaller comets merged together. Recent observations have also revealed that some comets are extremely active, with large amounts of dust being ejected into space. This dust can have important implications for the evolution of the solar system and the formation of planets. Space missions to comets are likely to continue in the future. These missions will provide new data and insights into the composition and behavior of comets, as well as their role in the early solar system. Advances in technology will allow us to make more detailed observations of cometary nuclei and learn more about their composition, structure, and evolution. Future research will likely shed more light on the role of comets in delivering water and organic molecules to the early Earth and other planets, and on the potential for life elsewhere in the solar system. It is a joy to know about the unknown mysteries in this galaxy. Thanks to the research of many scientists, we are able to learn more every day. Also, subscribe to Internet Backpack as it helps to grow our channel and make more content for you to enjoy.